you guys. Sorry, I'm just finishing up getting ready. We just had a great night at All Star Music. I have to say, All Star Music is kind of a hidden gem. I think it's actually the cheapest resort on property. Prices always vary, but I was very happily surprised considering how last year we were at All Star Music or All Star Movies, and that was so cute. It was in your face and the characters and stuff like that, but I think I like this one better. So if you guys are kind of trying to decide, there's usually like a $20 or so price difference. It's usually not that much. I would definitely check it out. But the cool thing about these all-star movies or these all-star resorts, they're literally right next to each other. I did get a preferred room. In the room tour that I'm going to show you guys here next, I said that I did not get a preferred room. I looked at our reservation again and it was a preferred room. But I would highly recommend it. I'm in building 2, if that makes sense. So that would have been a clear indication that we did get a preferred room. But also too, where we are, the parking lot is like right here. Like she's right there. So, and it also shares a parking lot with some of the buildings for All-Star Sports. And that's kind of cool because it's literally right there. So if you wanted to have like a good resort day, even if it's kind of gloomy and you don't want to do a pool day, just walking around these resorts, they're all kind of right next to each other. I mean, it'd be a lot of walking, but it would still be really cool. So if you want to kind of check them all out, I would really recommend it. And I'm totally digging the vibes. This hotel is newly renovated and you can tell. It looks so nice. I love the 3 caballeros in the main pool. The food was good. I will also say the dining hall was awesome. So I really was not feeling what was on the list just at the moment. They had fish and chips. They had some really cool options for this resort and kind of all the all-star resorts for the night. The menus do change, but what I liked is I'm like, let's not do a mobile order. Let's just go inside and see if they have some additional offerings. And they did. They have the salmon, the half chicken. The mashed potatoes are always really, really good. But I got the sesame chicken. It was great. It was about 10 o'clock though at night, so it's definitely busy because the parks are closing. People are just coming back to the resorts. They want a late night snack, so it was definitely busy in there, but it was really, really nice. The food was good, and the new designs are, if you've ever stayed at Pop Century or Art of Animation, they're very different over here, and I think they're so much better because of the fact that there is a main area where all your food is, and that does get hectic and busy. It was a little bit hectic and busy last night. However, when you go by the fountains, like the drinking stations, it's just to the left if you're coming from like the food court area. Just to the left, it's so quiet over there. There's a ton of seating. I went and stayed in line with all of our food with Brody, and then I had Jason just go find us a table because I wasn't first seeing a lot of tables. Like we literally parked, walked in the door, was like ready for dinner, but it was really, really nice and quiet. So I'm gonna show you guys the room tour next. It was just like All-Star Movies, but I really, really like these rooms. Each of the rooms are always a little bit different, so that's why I still like to show you. But then also too, afterwards, we'll go ahead and walk around and I'll show you guys a little bit of the hotel, just a cute little sneak peek. It's gonna be a very quick video before we go over and hop over into Wilderness Lodge. We're staying in the Copper Creek Villas and I'm super excited. And then we're also going to be staying at Riviera. So we're going to be here for about a week and I'm going to take you guys along. There'll be a video every single day, but it is going to be so much fun. So make sure you're subscribed and turning on that notification bell so you guys can be notified every time my videos come out. I always love to show you all the things, and I always like to show you the food, our experiences, just the fun to be had, because I do feel that everyone has their own unique way of doing things, and I like to share mine. And it's also like a double click into our memories, right? So that's mainly why I do it, is so we can always watch our vacations back. We can see how it is, and I love that. I love that. My kids love the videos. We all watch it, very family friendly. But I will stop being so chatty. I will show you guys the room tour next, and then we'll walk around just a little bit and see what they all have. You can see the pool. It's a really, really fun resort. So for room reference, this is going to be room 2619. So we're on the 3rd floor of building 2, and I'll show you the outside here in a little bit for like reference, but we're in a really, really good area. And this was just a standard room. Like I didn't pay for a preferred location or anything, but this is just like the Pop Century resorts. I believe all value resorts are like this, where it's just gonna have a Murphy bed in here. These tables or the chairs can get moved. It's gonna have a queen size bed. I'm gonna go through a pretty quick room tour because I feel most people see these quite a bit. They're definitely smaller. So as our trips go on, kind of look at the difference here and then even from when you're walking in the door. I mean, imagine a whole bed's gonna be to here, just like the other bed is. But it's definitely the width and the length of the rooms that you're gonna really see the difference from going from a value resort to a deluxe resort. But it has a really nice amenities. You're still gonna have a coffee feature, have tea, you're gonna have an ice bucket, cups, hot cups, stir sticks. You have all the basic necessities, and it's kind of nice. This is great for like all your storage things if you have snacks that you need to bring on your own. And then this is going to be a cooler. If you're ever wondering which are coolers and which are fridges, typically they're gonna say that this is gonna go above 41 degrees or so. So it's gonna be more of a cooler. And it is cool. Like it's like more like a chill, but it's not gonna be like for milk, I would say. So just kind of keep that, it's on your own personal reference. But then there is a dial gonna be over here that you can adjust a little bit. I don't know how cold you can really get it. But then, like I said, there's gonna be basic storage in here. Have your nightstands here, Mickey. You will go ahead and move the chairs out. We typically will put them right here as we kind of close the curtains and then put the bed down. I'll show you here in a second. But it has a lot of counter space. It has a lot of charging stations. These refurbished rooms, they really have done a good job with that. Sometimes they'll even put them on the side here, but these value resorts typically put them out on the counter. Your safe is gonna be in here. Extra pillows, linens, Bible are all gonna be here. And it has the soft closure, which is just a nice touch because you can tell there's good quality things. The drawers are very spacious, very, very, very spacious. So this is gonna be the majority of your storage. And then also you can typically fit the majority of your suitcases under here. So on our trip on this round, I believe we bought 3 full-size suitcases. They should easily be able to fit under, like the big ones. They're easily gonna fit there. There is a little bit more storage here. So if you wanted to put a chair here, you're gonna have that space, no problem. And then this I like too for your towels and that makes a big difference to just have a place to like hang your backpacks, your towels, just to kind of get set up. There's also, which is a really great thing, is there's lots of charging areas on your nightstands. So you'll have a little bit here, but you can see there's 2 USBs and then 2 plugs. So these are really nice. These refurbished rooms, they've done such a good job, and there's so much value in these value resorts. And then same thing over here. And what I love too is sometimes the phone has to be plugged in for whatever reason. And it has to, or there's like a lamp and then it takes up half your outlets, or you get maybe 1 outlet. This nightstand is gonna be shared with the Murphy bed, but still to have all those charging areas is gonna be really nice. And then see like this, the Mickey, he is taking up one of the outlets, which I think you can unplug. I don't think that would be a problem. So then you'll have the 2 over here and then the USBs again, the little cubby for storage. There's gonna be really, while this is up, there's no additional storage unless you wanted to put something underneath here, but you gotta set up your room your own way. I never remember where the light switches are. Okay, so then this is a value bathroom. So this is a very typical bathroom. It's not gonna be a ton of space. There's not gonna be a ton of hanging space. One thing though, you can always request more hangers. They can always get you some, but also the travel hangers. If you guys have watched my pack and prep videos, I have travel hangers that I bring on the cruises, on different trips. If you are a person that likes to hang a lot, I would either recommend calling Bell Services, front desk. They can go ahead and get you some. And then sometimes I've seen it to where, I think like Pop Century, remind me in the comments, you guys, isn't there like a little shelf right here? I feel that, I could be very wrong, but sometimes I feel like I have seen it here. And then there is some storage on top. Your ironing board and iron, your dryer is here. A little bit of counter space. It's not a ton. So this is a Kleenex box so you can see for reference. It's a good, place to store your stuff than in here. And then if you're trying to get ready with your irons, your makeup, whatever, you have a little bit of space here. The sink is really big and I really like that. For little kids, when you're trying to do their hair and that or get them cleaned up, there's lots of space where you guys can work around each other. A little bit more storage here. Someone asked me how we get all of our H2O products. Then the value resorts and moderate resorts, you don't get any of that. This is going to be essentially your only H2O product that you can take home. The only place to get them now is going to be in those deluxe resorts. the towels for washing your face, more towels under here, and then there's gonna be plenty in here as well. And you can always ask for more. I am someone that doesn't hold back. If I need more towels, I call for some more towels. I like a good fresh towel. Your bath mat, full towels for the shower. Again, more shower towels, and then some more washcloths. This is essentially the H2O products. They just went through a whole little contract situation to where it's now, I think they own the rights to it. So it looks like this, but it's essentially the exact same thing that we've seen in all of the resorts in years past. It's just their brand now instead of the H2O. But I love the bathtub feature. I love that there's a glass door. And even if you've seen like the little mermaid rooms at Art of Animation, you're getting a shower curtain. And even there's definitely some moderate resorts where you get a shower curtain. And this is a nice upgrade. Really nice shower head. I've showered in these showers. They're really nice. They're really, really, really nice. Again, you get a lot of bang for your buck. But I'll leave you guys here. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. I know this is kind of a weird way of introing a video and kind of having us pop back from the night past and then you see me in the future. It's just how it was. I mean, we just drove over 14 hours today. So I'm a little tired. We had some good dinner. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of the room. That's gonna be it for me today. I know you guys probably wanted to hear my little details and all the things that I said about it. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. There's just a lot of copyright music playing in the background, but I love that. I felt like it was very vibrant. It had tons of energy, but like very soft and subtle. Just a great area to walk around. The foliage, the landscape, the trees are just beautiful here. Just absolutely beautiful. But I think I'm going to be wrapping up now. We're going to be heading over to Wilderness Lodge. I keep wanting to say Fort Wilderness, but Wilderness Lodge. We're staying over at Copper Creek. and it's going to be another beautiful experience. But if you guys are kind of debating between any of the three here, I've stayed at 2 of the 3 now. I did pop over to sports just to see a little bit. I think music is the hidden gem of Disney. I really, really do. I think it's a great resort. Save the money. You will not be saving on experiences or losing out on any experiences, because the energy and the music and all of its beauty here, it is a really, really great resort. If I was coming to stay back at a value resort, I would definitely pick this one, especially if you're not worried about transportation. All of the All-Star resorts are going to be buses only, where Pop Century of Art of Animation are going to have the Skyliner transportation, and I do think that is beautiful and amazing, and you guys know how much I love the Skyliner. However, this is a great resort. This is a great resort. So if you don't mind the buses, if you have your own car, I would definitely recommend it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said earlier, make sure you are hitting that subscribe and that notification bell on, because we have another room tour that we're doing today, and we're popping over also to the Riviera. So you'll see all of the things, all of our private events that we're going to this week, all of our Magic Kingdom days, all the new Lightning Lane changes. I'll share everything. And I'm very, very honest. I'm respectful, but honest. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy the video, do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Hit that subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.